Hey guys, what's going on? Today, I'm really excited. I am doing a Boxycharm unboxing. So, this idea came from Kathleen Lights. What she does is she puts on whatever makeup that's not included in the box. She takes a sneak peek, and then whatever is included in the box, she'll leave blank. So, like for instance, there's some eye stuff in here. There's a lip, and there's a pair of lashes. So, we're focusing mainly on the eyes this month and the lips. So we're gonna just jump right in. So this is the box, and we open it up, and first thing we grab, okay. So this is the LUXIE brush set. It comes with a little card too that tells you everything that is. It's a 3-piece flawless complexion brush set. Now I completely forgot that there's brushes in here, or else I would have demonstrated using them. But this is my first time owning LUXIE brushes, but I've heard they're really good. Ooh, wow. Yeah, those are really soft. This one I could feel would be really good for like pressing some powder underneath the eyes. This is a duo fiber, but kind of feels like it'd be good for maybe a highlight. What did they say they use them for? Doesn't really say. Oh, so this is a 516. It's a dual fiber powder brush, which kind of, for me, I would probably use as highlight. Then we have a 522 tapered highlighter brush, which this one, yeah, I could see for that. And then we have a 660 precision foundation brush. I've only recently started getting into foundation brushes. I've never really used them before, but now, like, I don't know, I'm really liking applying my foundation with a brush and then going over with the sponge, because you don't use as much product, I guess. I don't know. I've been really liking it though. Next is the JANEIRO. I don't know how to say this. It's the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I've heard really good things about them. Let me take the little thing off. This is just a travel size. It smells really good. Put a little bit on my hands. Ooh, that's nice. It's obviously a cream, but it's not like overly heavy. Ooh, I really like that smell. Okay, so moving on. For the star of the show, we got the ALAMAR Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This was created by a makeup artist. Her name is Gabby. Oh no. Mine came semi-broken. You can see this one here is a little broken. I'll make it work though. We'll just press it back in there. Okay. We saved it. We're good. If it was completely crushed, I would have been like heartbroken, because that was like the one color I was really excited for. So I'm going to do swatches on my arm of every shade. Okay, so these are swatches of them all. There we go. Which, they're pretty pigmented. The only ones were the brown and the maroonish one. Those two kind of came on a little patchy, but that's okay. So we're going to do a look with this, because it's not really about the, you know, swatch of it. It's how it actually applies on your eyes. I'm going to be doing something kind of simple just because I will be going to work. I'm going to go in. Ooh, I need to clean this a little bit from the damage. I'm going to go in with Cocoa Taxi, the orange shade, and just pop that in my crease. Oh, that's nice. It's a nice transition color. I really like that. Everybody's been using the blues, so that's why I'm not going to be using those. Okay. Next color I'm going to go into is Tropico. pretty much going to use all the mattes and then one shimmer. Whoa, this color is really pigmented. Okay, taking a smaller brush, I'm going to go into that maroon, the Guantanaria? Guantanaria? I don't know how to say that one. And place this on the outer corner. Oh wow, that is beautiful. And I'm also going to bring that a little bit into the crease. And I'm barely tapping the pans, so they're very pigmented. Then I'm going to use a little bit of the brown shade, Cafecito, that sounds right, and put that on the outer edge only. And once again, very pigmented, easy to blend. Okay, and then with a small synthetic brush. That did not just happen. Oh, the one shade just completely broke off. Hold on. Okay, so I was able to save most of it. The one thing I don't like about this palette is while the shimmers are very pigmented, they're really loosely packed. So like mine didn't even make it towards like shipping. So it makes me wonder when these palettes got shipped, like how many got broken. I'm gonna go in with La Costa. It's pretty like pink shade. And I'm gonna apply that with the synthetic brush all over my eye. Wow, I don't even have this wet. That is beautiful. Super pigmented too. Alright, I'm actually gonna go with my finger and just tap a little bit. It's crazy of the intensity. Like I'm just tapping in it. I didn't even rub my finger in the palette. That's beautiful. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put mascara on, and then we got these lashes. They are from Baddington. Ooh, they're really pretty. They're like a good like everyday lash. Ooh, I'm excited to try these. So I'm gonna put mascara on, put these lashes on, and I'll be right back. Lashes are on, and holy shit do I like these. They're comfortable, they're easy to put on. They look stunning. I love these. Okay, the next product is JONTEBLU. It's a eyeliner. And we'll give it a shot. It's in charcoal. I'm probably actually not going to use this. You know what? I'll use it on my upper waterline. Okay, that pulls really bad. I don't know if I like that. Don't think I do. Okay. Last product is by OFRA Cosmetics. I'm actually really excited for this because I've never tried an OFRA Cosmetic liquid lipstick, so I've been really eager to. This is in the color Verona, and I think this is a new shade that they came out with. I believe, Amanda Ensing. I think she's the one that said it, or no, I think it was Kathleen Lights that said that. Let's give it a go. Oh, that's a beautiful shade. complete opaque. I didn't even have to dip in the entire time. I'm just going to dip in one more time now. That is beautiful. I love this. Okay guys, this completes my finished look with my Boxycharm. I'm going to try and do this every month. I think it's by far the best makeup subscription box you can possibly have. They're full-size products, and the total for all this was over like $140. Like, it was crazy. And you only pay $21 a month. The total score in my book. So the eyeliner, not crazy about. The ALAMAR Cosmetics palette, I think it's beautiful, but I'm just afraid, one, it's not going to be travel friendly because of the shimmers being lightly packed, but the matte, everything blended beautifully and applied, super pigmented, easy to blend out. Like, I like the packet, I like this a lot. I just don't think it'd be travel friendly, but I like how slim it is too. Then the lashes. You already know, I really like these as well. Baddington lashes, they're silk lash too, so if you take care of them and everything like that, they're gonna last. Sorry, my camera cut out. So what I was saying, this hand cream, it smells really good. I like that travel size, so it'll be good for when I go on vacation in August. And I like that it wasn't too heavy, and it like really melted into my skin nice. Oh, and I really like the liquid lipstick. It's completely dried down, nothing on my hands, very comfortable. Yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.